Alright, good morning boys and girls, or good afternoon. Welcome to another class. Today we are going to do our reading started 2 books and we are on Unit 12. Now the name of this lesson is the Weather Report. So as you would think, we are going to learn about different weather conditions and also how to read the weather report. So let's get started. Now, I want to begin this lesson by just having a look. Everybody, please have a look in your books. Okay? So, have a look in your books. What is the girl doing and how is the weather, right? As I can see, the girl, she has an umbrella, she has a raincoat. So, I think that she is in some rainy weather. Okay, another one you could have is sunny weather. Okay, so let me write it with small s and small r. Alright, so we have 2 conditions over here. We have rainy weather and sunny weather. So let's have a look. For rainy weather, you would need an umbrella. You would need a raincoat, some rain boots. Alright, can you think of anything else you need in rainy weather? Umbrella, raincoat, rain boots. Think of one more thing. You might need some gloves if it's very cold, so gloves or mitts. You could also say some mitts. Okay, now for sunny weather it's the opposite. Okay, there's no rain, remember, so no rain when it is sunny, and if it is very sunny the sun is out, so you need to be safe in the sun. You could wear a hat. Okay, or if you do not want to wear a hat, you can also just wear a t-shirt, right? Because it's really, really warm, and maybe some short pants. Can you think of anything else that you need in sunny weather? Right? What about some of the things we can do? Okay, so in the rainy weather, what are some things you can do? I don't know, some people might want to play in the rain. And for sunny weather, some people might want to go swimming. Okay, so yeah, let's have a look and let's continue and have a look at the vocabulary for weather. Alright? Alright, let's have a look. So we have a few vocabulary words. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, this word is, can we just have the notepad please? Alright, so first thing over here for our vocabulary is the word week. Okay, 1 week. And next we have the word dry. Then we have fire. Then we have and plan. And dangerous. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last word, everybody, is stones. Okay, let's practice one more time. Everybody, week, week. Can you say it at home? Week, week. Alright, next one is dry, dry. Dry, dry. fire. Okay, fire. Plan. Can you say it? Plan. All right. Next one is dangerous. Okay. So over there, and last one is stones and stones. Can you try it? Stones. All right. Let's look at what these words mean. A week. So a week is 7 days. So it starts with Sunday and it goes all the way to Monday. So Sunday to Monday, this is a week. What are some things that you do every week? Right? Maybe you could say you go to school every week, or you play soccer, football every week. Alright, this word is dry. So for dry, this means no water. Okay, it is very, very dry. So when it is hot, you would say that it is dry outside. Okay, no rain, no water. Okay, we know fire. Fire is very hot. What do I need for a fire? I need some wood, all right, or some paper to start the fire. Okay. Next one is a plan. This is what you want to do in the future. Alright, and in English you will often hear people asking you, what is your plan for next week? So they want to know, what are you going to do next week? Okie dokie. Alright, so next one, dangerous. This means that something is not very safe, so you can get hurt or even get into trouble. Something can go wrong and you get into trouble. So can you think of some things that are very dangerous to do? Maybe playing with fire is dangerous, or running in the street, that is very dangerous because a car can knock you over. All right, anything else? Maybe climbing on top of the house, right? Standing on the roof and dancing there, that might be a little bit dangerous. All right, last word everybody, stones. Now these are small rocks. Okay, if this is a rock, then a stone would look like this. Okay, very small compared to the rock. So this one is rock and stone. All right, rock and stone. Alright, these are the vocabulary words that you guys need to know for this lesson about the weather report. Let's quickly practice saying this one more time. 3, 2, 1. Week. Dry. Fire. Plan. Dangerous. Alright, and stones. Alright, let's move on. Let's go and have a look at the reading part. Okay, I would like you guys to please have a look at these words over here and please complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in your books. Alright, let's move on and let's practice reading together. Alright? Alright, can we go to the next page, please? Alright, thank you very much. So, the name of the lesson, everybody, is a weather report. So, over here you can see it says weather report. And this is a weather report for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So, this is 6 days of 1 week. Alright, and you can see that the weather report starts on a Thursday, and it goes Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and it finishes over here with Tuesday. So they are going to tell us how the weather is going to be for these few days. Okay, so let's just have a look at it some more. It says Thursday, hot. Right, so it's going to be really warm on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they are all very, very hot. Then it comes to Monday. Alright, so Monday, it says that it is cool. Okay, so normally in English, we write it this way. We normally go hot, warm, cool, and the last one would then be cold. Okay, so in between hot and cold, we have warm and cool. So hot, 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 cool. So not even warm, it's straight to cool, and then rain. So rain would then be very cold. Okie dokie. All right, so that's the weather report, and the lady over here, she is the weather reporter. So let's see what she has to say about the weather this week. Alright, so please say after me the second time. So I read first time, and then you will read with me the second time. Excuse me. Let's get started. A dry summer. Good Thursday morning. Alright, let's say it together. Good Thursday morning. It's going to be another hot and sunny day. Together. It's going to be another hot and sunny day. This is the 4th week without rain. This is the 4th week without rain. Tomorrow will be the same. So, tomorrow will be the same. But don't worry. But don't worry. This hot weather is about to end. This hot weather is about to end. It will begin to cool down on Monday. Let's go. It will begin to cool down on Monday. And we will see some rain on Tuesday. And we will see some rain on Tuesday. If you plan to go camping, be careful. If you plan to go camping, be careful. It is very dry out there. It is very dry out there. It is a dangerous time to build a fire. Practice. It is a dangerous time to build a fire. Okay. Can we scroll down, please? Alright, we're over here. Here are some things to remember when camping. here are some things to remember when camping. Put stones around all fires. Let's go. Put stones around all fires. Never leave a fire alone. Never leave a fire alone. Put lots of water on it to put it out. Put lots of water on it to put it out. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. I'll be back at 5 o'clock with more about the weather. I'll be back at 5 o'clock with more about the weather. Alright, so good job everyone. Thank you for reading with me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a look at some of the important sentences and some important words that you guys need to understand over here. So can we please make it a little bit smaller, please? Alright. And then can you make it like, just change it to maybe like 85, please. So you can just like press on the number, I think. 85 and then. That's great. Thank you very much. Alright guys, let's have a look over here. A dry summer. So, good Thursday morning. So, that shows us which day of the week it is. So, it is Thursday. It's going to be another hot and sunny day. So another, this means more of the same. So Wednesday was also hot and sunny. This is the 4th week without rain. So they are saying over here that it has not rained for 4 weeks. So no rain for 4 weeks. Okay? Tomorrow will be the same. So when they say tomorrow will be the same, it means they are saying that tomorrow will also be a day with no rain. Okay? But don't worry. This hot weather is about to end. So end means it's going to be finished. So what they are saying is that the hot weather will stop being hot. So the weather is going to change. It's going to finish. All of the hot weather will stop. And then they say it will begin to cool down on Monday. Alright, so if you have a look from Sunday and then Monday, it becomes cool. So the temperature, the heat will go down. Okay, down, down, down. So it will begin to cool down, get cooler. I should write there. Get cooler. It will get cooler on Monday. And we will see some rain on Tuesday. So finally, it is going to rain. It was 4 weeks with no rain. And then it says they will see some rain on Tuesday. Okay? If you plan to go camping, be careful. Alright, so camping, I'm sure you guys know. I'm sure that you guys know this. Alright, so camping. So you camp in the tent. That's my tent over there. Not very, very good. Sorry. So if you plan to go camping, be careful. Because, so they'll tell you why. So this is saying why you need to be careful. It is very dry out there. Alright, so dry, there's no water, very dry. It is a dangerous time to build a fire. So what they're saying is there's no water, so it's dangerous, it's bad. It's a bad time to build a fire. Because firstly, there's no water to put the fire out. and everything is very dry, so it can burn very quickly. Here are some things to remember when camping. Alright, so you need to do these things when you are camping. You must remember to do it. First, put stones around all fires. So if you have a fire over here, you need to put a stone or many stones around the fire so that the fire cannot spread, so it cannot burn after the stones. So the stones will stop the fire from spreading, from getting too big. Okay, put stones around your fire. Never leave a fire alone. So don't go away from the fire, okay? You must always watch the fire to make sure that it doesn't get too big or it doesn't burn down a tree or a house, or worse, even burn down your tent when you are camping. Okay? Put lots of water on it to put it out. So to put it out means to kill the fire. Okay? So you gotta kill the fire, put it out, stop the fire. Alright. Have a great weekend. Alright, so weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. And she says, I'll be back at 5 o'clock with more. So with more about the weather. So with more about the weather. So at 5 o'clock on this Thursday, she will tell you a little bit more about the weather for next week or tomorrow and so on. Okay? Alright everybody, that's the story over there. You guys need to know these important words and these sentences. If you're not too sure, please try to read it again. Okay? Read it again and practice it some more. Now, it is time for us to answer the questions in our books. Okay? So if you have not answered the questions yet, please pause the video and write in your books. Alright? And when you are finished, you can press play and then you can check the answers with me. So let's get started. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence. So do we say it will begin to cool down on Monday or it going to begin to cool down? The correct answer is it will. Okay? Alright, so the next one, number 2. Next one, number 2. And we will see some rain on Tuesday, or and we going to see some rain on Tuesday. So we will see some rain on Tuesday. Okay, future. Right. Then it's number 3. It's will be another hot and sunny day, or it's going to be another hot and sunny day. So remember, it's equals it is. And in English, we always say it is going. Okay, need to have the is there before going. So it is going to be blah blah blah. It's going to be another hot and sunny day. Now the next one. I will da 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 da, or I am going to da 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 da. Use your own words. So you can choose if you want to say I will. So let's choose I will. So I will, you can say, start a fire Or you can do number 2, I am going to. So what is it that you are going to do? So I am going to make let's talk about something about the weather. So I'm going to go to the lake to swim because it is very hot. All right, so you could say I will do something now, or I am going to do something. Okie dokie. So of course, if your answers are different, no problem. Okay, good job everybody. So that's the first part over here. Okay, before we finish the rest, can we just quickly go back and do the vocabulary? I forgot to do the vocabulary words. Okay, all right, so just yes, over here. All right guys, have a look over here. I forgot to do vocabulary. Let's do it quickly. So it says we will be on vacation for 1 week. So what is a week? Amazing idea. Small pieces, not safe. Or is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days? Of course it is D. Okay, it's the 7 days in the week. Number 2, the plant is dry. It needs some water. Dry. So dry without water. All right. Number 3, it's cold. Let's build a fire. So you can see there's a picture of a fire. F. Number 4, I plan to be a doctor when I grow up. Something that you want to do in the future. So I plan, you have an idea to do something. So that is A. Number 5, it's dangerous to stay outside in a storm. Dangerous, so not safe, right? So it's C. And number 6, they put stones in the river. So stones, it's small pieces of rock. So that would be B, 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 B. All right. All right, everybody. Hope your answers are the same over here. Normally, you guys are really good at this anyway. So let's go on to the next page, please. All right, guys, let's answer the 5 questions first. So, number 1. What is this reading about? So what is the story about? Is it about how to build a fire or going camping? Is it about dry weather? Or is it about a rainy news report? Okay, so I always like to look at the name of the story. So if we can just move a little bit this way, please. Just want to see the side. So, and down. So this is up, can we go up? This is a dry summer. All right, so what is the story about? Is it about something dry, right? So 1 should be C, dry weather, about no rain, okay? Number 2, what is true about the last 4 weeks? So what happened for 4 weeks? A, it did not stop raining. Or B, it was not hot. C, it was very windy. Or was it D, it did not rain? All right, let's see if we can find the best answer over here. Can we please go to that side, please? All right, for 4 weeks. So I can see already it says 4th week over here. This is the 4th week without rain. So with no rain. So let's try and answer. Alright, so no rain. Do we have something like that? Ah, it says yes, it did not rain. Okay. Number 3. What does tomorrow mean in the story? So they give us a few different days of the week. So how do we know what today is? We go back. look at the top, and it says the first sentence, good Thursday morning. So today is Thursday morning. Okay, so let's see, what is if today is Thursday, then tomorrow is, right, of course, tomorrow is, oh, it's already circled, Friday. Alright, so Friday. And number 4, why is it dangerous to have a fire these days? Okay, so we just go back again. So they are saying these days. So these days refers to the last few days or the last week. Okay, so does it say anything about the week over here? Alright, so where do I see? Dangerous to build a fire. So if you plan to go camping, be careful. It is